Lego Ninjago, Sons of Garmadon Part 1, Sneak Peek.
Phew, we're out of there, and Kilo's waiting, just like I said.
Nice job, you've got the Oni mask. Now let's get out of here before the cops show up.
They'll never catch us.
Destroy anyone who stands in your way.
Sons of Garmadon, full speed ahead.
The Sons of Garmadon have stolen the Oni mask from the Royal Vault. Deploy all units at once.
We can't let these crooks get away.
Gah! We've got cops on our tail. Deal with them, Kilo.
With pleasure, Mr. E.
Pull over. Ah!
This is your last chance. Surrender now.
Never. Let's see how you like my energy blaster.
So not good. Ah!
We've got them surrounded.
Come and get me.
Oh no!
We've got multiple officers down, requesting immediate backup.
They must be in serious trouble. This sounds like a job for a ninja.
Lego Ninjago, Sons of Garmadon Part 1, The Oni Mask. Coming this January 2018.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching CooperAce Productions. Would you kindly subscribe and check out more of our daily videos? Have an amazing day.